Have you ever wondered if you could actually clean and declutter your entire house in just one day? I know what you're thinking. Is it even possible? And my answer is absolutely. A tidy home can have a huge impact on your mental clarity, productivity, and overall quality of life. Imagine walking into a peaceful, organized space, feeling a sense of calm wash over you. That's exactly what we're going to achieve today. The thought of cleaning and decluttering your entire house in one day can be overwhelming, to say the least. I mean, where do you even begin? You might be thinking, I've been putting this off for months. How am I going to tackle it all in just one day? But don't worry, I've got you covered. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to clean and declutter is feeling overwhelmed. It's easy to get stuck, not knowing what to do with all the stuff you've accumulated over the years. And let's be real, it's hard to part with things that hold sentimental value. Another challenge is not knowing where to start. Do you start with the living room, the bedroom, or maybe the kitchen? The options are endless, and it's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis. Sometimes it's not even about the physical task of cleaning and decluttering, but the emotional attachment we have to our belongings. It's hard to let go of things that hold memories, even if they no longer serve a purpose. But what if I told you there's a way to make the process easier, less painful, and even enjoyable? It's all about breaking it down into smaller, manageable tasks and creating a plan of attack. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to show your support for this channel as we dive deep into the video. So, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make when trying to clean and declutter their entire house in one day. It's trying to do too much at once. You can't tackle the entire house in one fell swoop, it's just not realistic. Instead, we're going to focus on one area at a time, taking it one step at a time. We'll start with the easiest tasks and work our way up to the harder ones. The first area we're going to tackle is the living room. This is usually the busiest room in the house, and it's where we spend a lot of our time. So, let's get started. Take everything out of the room. Yes, you read that right. Take out all the furniture, all the decorations, everything. This is going to give us a clean slate to work with. Next, sort everything into categories. What can you donate? What can you throw away? And what do you want to keep? Be honest with yourself. If you haven't used it in the last year, it's probably safe to get rid of it. Now that we have our categories, let's start putting things back into the room. But this time, let's do it with intention. Think about the flow of the room and what you want to highlight. The same process applies to the kitchen, bedroom, and every other room in the house. Take everything out, sort it into categories, and put only what you need back in. As you start to declutter and organize, you'll start to feel a sense of accomplishment, a sense of pride in your space. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can get things done, and how good it feels to have a tidy home. One of the most dramatic transformations I've ever seen is when someone declutters their closet. It's amazing how much stuff we can accumulate in such a small space. But when you take everything out, sort it into categories, and put only what you need back in, it's like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. You can't believe the difference it makes, having a clean and organized closet. It's like a breath of fresh air, and it sets the tone for the rest of the house. As you work your way through each room, you'll start to notice a pattern. You'll start to see what works and what doesn't, what you need to keep and what you can get rid of. The more you declutter and organize, the more you'll realize that it's not just about the physical stuff. It's about our emotional attachment to it. It's about letting go of the past and embracing the present. And if you're liking this video so far, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to help us continue making videos like this. So, as you continue to work through each room, remember to take it one step at a time. Don't get too caught up in the details, and remember to breathe. You got this. By the end of the day, you'll be amazed at how much you've accomplished. You'll have a tidy home and a sense of pride in your space. You'll be able to walk into your living room, kitchen, or bedroom and feel a sense of calm wash over you. So, to recap, the key to cleaning and decluttering your entire house in one day is to take it one step at a time, focus on one area at a time, and create a plan of attack. Don't try to do too much at once, and remember to breathe. A clean space can have a huge impact on your mental clarity, productivity, and overall quality of life. So, take the challenge and see the difference it can make for yourself. Hit the subscribe button to push this video for more people out there who might need this, and it also shows your support for this channel. Thank you. If you have any tips or tricks for cleaning and decluttering, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos on home organization strategies, be sure to check out my other videos.